What's in Section B of your electronic Social Security disability claim? The Social Security Administration has an electronic file where all your material is, and they organize it into 6 different document folders. And what you need to understand is what's in each section. And we've talked about A. Now I'm going to talk about B. B is where jurisdictional documents and notices go. Now, I think that sort of on the face of it sounds, who cares? Well, there are denial letters from state agencies, known as DDS, who have reviewed your claim at the initial and recon stage and denied your claim. In those denial letters, there are lots of clues about why they did what they did, even though I don't obviously disagree with it. Now, the DDS people are going to be ultimately issuing what in essence is a boilerplate denial. And quite often the list of exhibits that you'll see at the end of this denial letter is either incomplete or inaccurate, or they just didn't really review what they said they had. Now, once I, as a Social Security lawyer, have access to electronic records, I have a better idea of what the basis of the denial was at the initial stage. And of course, if they deny it at the recon stage, I'm understanding why they did what they did. That's important again, because remember, we have the burden essentially to prove that you're entitled to your Social Security benefits. Now, if your claim is denied at the initial stage and at the recon stage, we have to file a request for hearing. The judge is going to see your file and they're going to look at it. And one of the things I'm looking at, and the judge is looking at, is whether or not you timely filed your appeal in 60 days in regard to the initial application or request for reconsideration. And if you didn't, a judge can say, too bad, so sad, I don't have jurisdiction, I'm going to dismiss this claim. You have the obligation then to show good cause as to why your claim should not be denied or dismissed because of untimely filing of the appeal, i.e. the request for reconsideration, or an untimely request for a hearing. Those are one of the most important things that we can find in that section of your Social Security file. Now, just remember, because your doctor said you were disabled isn't going to cut it. You have the burden of proof, and that's one of the many reasons why you should have an experienced Social Security disability attorney help you get the disability benefits you deserve. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.